Hello everyone, we are from Ecuador. We have been working with Signing Global since 2018. We have purchased many products over the years, like the X7 printhead, reflexive lens, cable card like 36P1, also foam cleaning swabs. One of the reasons why we choose Signing Global is because of the easy and speed of their website. It's very neat and easy to use. We also prefer Signing Global for the immediacy of the shipment, which always arrive on time and with the proper protections. This is our printer, which has already had the Signing Global printhead installed. The print quality is impressive and the colors are deep and accurate.